Dennisville, Kachina. It's Christmas time, and you know, getting dairy-free, gluten-free desserts is pretty much next to impossible. But I have a few that I'd like to share with you. This one is the Peppermint Christmas Patty. It is 1.5 cups of shredded unsweetened coconut, which I'm just going to stick in here. I already had in here 2 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut milk, which is this. I also had 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1/4 cup of honey. And I'm going to put all this in here. Can't forget, if it's going to be peppermint, I need to add, it says I'm going to put a full teaspoon, maybe even a little bit more. I really want it to taste very peppermint. All right, it's just moistened enough, and I'm going to make little tiny balls of coconut patty. Fill them with some chocolate. We'll throw them in the freezer for 20 minutes.